Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Again, the same as yesterday. It's not technically December right now, but the reason I'm vlogging today is because in yesterday's video I was like, oh, we're not on a lockdown right now, you know, we can go about. Today is our last day before the lockdown. We are gonna bake, I think, and then we might be going for like a coffee or something later, I'm not sure. So I thought that I would vlog today. Again, I want to kind of pre-film a couple videos just so I make sure that I can definitely upload every day. Here is my outfit today, just something very casual. This is what I've got on. Also, I had to move my plant there because it actually went a wee bit moldy. I think it's because the window's technically moldy, I'm not really sure. Also, another exciting thing is happening today. I am making my first TikTok, which I did vow that I would. Oh my god! I did vow that I was never gonna make a TikTok, but I've changed my mind. Danny and I got a cupcake mix. Went for this one.
Stop doing it.
I will do it. There we go. Also, I said how I've been trying to make my TikTok, and honestly, I just don't understand. I don't get what the people are looking for. So I'm not really sure how it's gonna go, but by the time I upload this, my TikTok could be gone and deleted.
I think it's getting it.
I just don't really understand how to do it.
Trying something new, Gwen.
Also, the editing's pretty confusing too. So I don't really know if I'm gonna stick
YouTube videos for a living.
Oh yeah, but I've been doing that for like over 6 years. I know how it works. TikTok, I don't know, don't get it. Oh, let's take a thumbnail. You send it this way because it's my good friend. No, please look nice. Please. Please!
I need a haircut, man. A fan 160.
My eyebrows look bad.
No.
I haven't been filling in my eyebrows at all recently because I think my eyebrows have been having a reaction to something and I can't figure out what it is, because every time like I take makeup off, my eyebrow hair's gone. So I haven't been wearing anything on my eyebrows for a while. But I mean, I don't really think there's that big of a difference. And it's also been making my makeup routine go a lot quicker. Do you think this is going to be vlogging?
Yeah, I'm already bored.
Preheat the oven, place the 6 fairy cake cases in a cupcake or muffin tray. Do we have one of those?
We do.
Oh yeah, we've got UHT milk, which I love. I've had like 3 glasses of it.
You need the egg on also, remember?
Oh yeah.
The best baker. You kind of made a fuck up there, didn't you?
Do you want to do it?
Try and bring a spoon. How's it going, Gwen?
Good, I think. Right, there you go.
Where's the fondant going at the end?
Oh, we just got an email about testing.
Are you joking? You think you put the icing sugar on before you put it in the oven?
If you want to fight him.
I was surprised and happy. I can't be unhappy with that.
Yeah, boy!
Nice.
Vanilla.
We're out right now at a coffee shop before they all close at 6.
No, 5.
Some nice fairy lights. Also, I didn't really like the cupcakes, to be honest.
Why not?
I don't know, they tasted weird.
I think
Just
we
got
only
a
people only
parcel.
5 or so.
Just
My
saw the
mum,
hair
no, I got my mum's son
This person's really wrapped it.
We went into the country clothes shop in the middle of the road.
Lovely colour.
Oh my god, it was expensive.
Nice. I'm just coming in to take my makeup off. I actually will show you at some point my new skincare routine because I've been using some different products, but I'm not going to show that today because I feel as though I should wait until there's a day where I'm like not doing anything. I really wanted to try and make all of my vlogmas videos at least like 10 minutes, but I'm not sure if that's going to be the case today. Also, I posted my TikTok. Honestly, I feel like really anxious about it. I don't know why. We have Harry Potter on in the living room. We've been doing a bit of a marathon this week, so we're on the Half-Blood Prince. But my Now TV free trial ends tomorrow, so we need to watch the last 2 tonight as well. This is a really bad angle. Just ignore that I'm wearing this dressing gown. I don't know how I feel about TikTok. If I get like no followers and nobody watches it, then I'm just gonna delete it and pretend it ever happened. Also, sneak peek, I finally got micellar micellar, yeah, cleansing water, so I can stop using my makeup wipes. Is this camera angle bad? Oh well. We were actually meant to be going to a drive-in movie tonight, so I'm kind of sad we couldn't go, but it's been postponed until December, so it should be in vlogmas hopefully if there isn't another lockdown after this one. I don't really know how this vlogmas is going to turn out at all, but I'm gonna really try my best. Let's see how my TikTok's doing. I don't like this. I have 5 views. Is that good? I don't think that's good. How's this man out so much? Oh, I'm not meant to show you this. This is for a different video. Also, I will never ever upload a TikTok dance. Don't worry, that's not what I'm gonna be uploading. The one I uploaded today was like a day in my life kind of thing. Maybe that's not what people want to see, but I can't dance. Nobody wants to see that anyway. So basically this lockdown, if you're wondering, it's not the same as the last lockdown, because last lockdown was like really intense and absolutely nothing was open except like the supermarket. Well, maybe it is, it's just as intense. The only thing I can think of that's different is that garden centres are allowed to stay open. So I'm kind of happy about that, to be honest, because garden centres at Christmas are great. But obviously we will be going home, so I would kind of rather not really go anywhere, just on the off chance that I pick it up just before I go home. And I mean, I've already had coronavirus. Maybe you won't know that. Yeah, I've already had it. If you look back at my videos, it wasn't a fun time. So who knows if you can get it again. Okay, I'm gonna go back through to the living room. I will also probably show you what we have for dinner, but it's not going to be anything exciting because I don't have a lot of money right now. Hope you enjoyed me rambling for like 10 minutes. Danny just made me dinner. We've got Harry Potter on. Do you want to see my TikTok? It's not doing very well.
What?
4 likes including myself.
Is it viral?
No, not yet.
Yeah, I'll get there.
So we watched 2 of the Harry Potter films. We still have the last one to watch, and we're gonna go to bed now and watch, what's it, Mortal Engines.
Yeah.
Danny really wants to see it.
I like the books when I was wee.
See, I read the Mortal Instruments.
Yeah, definitely.
The Mortal Instruments were good. How do you turn this off?
3 seconds. No, try again. Hold. Good job, Gwen.
I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna end the vlog now. Hope you enjoyed day 2, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3.
Like this.